I am taking you through the garden patch which is next to the entrance of the Brahmaputra apartments. The new hedge has been already planted. The earlier one has been removed. There is a beautiful gate which has come up. There will be creepers with flowers in this gate. And as you enter, all around the earlier plants, new saplings have been put, flower saplings have been put, and hopefully as they bloom, more flowers will come up in this area. There are some seasonal plants which we have kept, permanent plants. This whole area has been really sprouted and well laid out once again. The hedge all over has been done. The Mali is working continuously. This whole area has been cleaned up. Not only that, this area below the transformers and the panels have been cemented, and all the malba which was there lying earlier, the gravel and all that has been removed. The main pipeline has been now buried underground with a beautiful channel and covered with stone panels. And this area, which is next to the entrance to the garage, will also be beautified over a period of time. This whole area was a massive work to remove all the junk which was lying there in this area, and it's been beautifully cemented and closed. This is the new structure which has been created near the transformer as you enter the Brahmaputra apartments, and it has been covered with these blue sheets. There is an entrance, there are flower pots kept on the outside for beautification, and as we go inside, the space is covered again with those sheets where the trolleys are going to be parked. And here you have the main shed. It is locked. It's a door which is a store where all the chairs and other equipment, PA equipment, boards and all are going to be kept. And there is a space here where the Safai Karamcharis, they can keep their food packets, their lunch boxes, and the top can be served as a table, and they'll be given chairs where they'll sit and they'll eat, and it is all covered on top to save them from rain and sun during peak seasons. And here is the end where we come out. A very well and neatly laid out area now.